Hello everybody, I am here to announce the first product of my launch, and it is Confidence by Nerida Joy. It is a cleanser, step number 1. Why is cleansing so important? It's so important. It's 50% of your regimen. So many people do not put effort into cleansing their skin properly. They think that having their treatment serum and their moisturizer thereafter is going to do the trick. But if you are not cleansing and creating the right slate for those products, you're not going to get the results that you should be getting. It's very, very important that you spend time massaging your cleanser into your face, and I always say at least 30 seconds. Massage it into your face, get under any fine facial hair. This is what's going to help your skin stay clean. If you have a clean skin, your pore size is going to be small. A clean skin is not a skin that makes your skin feel tight and squeaky clean. You don't want that, because if you have tightness, then you're going to have dryness. And if you have a dry outer layer on the skin, your treatment serums and products are not going to get in and do their job. And not only that, your oil is not going to get out. If you have a dry outer layer and an oily underlayer, those pores are going to get larger because blackheads, dead cells, bacteria, and sebum, it's going to build up inside that pore and you're going to have larger pores. So it's very important that you use the right cleanser and that you are cleansing on a daily basis, and that's AM and PM. Particularly PM must be done very, very well, because you've been out and about in the environment and you get dirt from pollution on your face. You should have sunblock on your skin and possibly makeup on your skin like I do. This is really important that you get that slate, that environment ready for your treatment products. So many people come in to see me and their skin is oily, they've got large pores, they've got congestion under their skin, and they don't know why. And as soon as I look at their skin, I'm like, oh my gosh, you're not cleaning your skin well enough. You've got to clean your skin better. Estheticians from all over the world send me pictures of their clients and they say, Nerida, help me. Why can I not get my client's skin better? I zoom in on those pictures and I can see they're not cleaning their skin properly. You have to clean your skin really well. I cannot stress this enough. The amount of times people come to see me for the first time and they've been given very, very expensive products, but they're being told to just go get a generic cleanser, that will be sufficient. Well, you know what? It is not sufficient. You have to cleanse your skin well for your products to do their job thereafter. So put the time into it. This cleanser, I call this Confidence by Nerida Joy because I am confident that this cleanser is going to set the right slate up for you. You want a slate that is clean, but you must keep your skin soft and supple. So this is a thicker jelly that you massage into your skin for at least 30 seconds. I'm confident that this is going to set up the right slate for you, and that's super important. This has been my life, my work. I love it that much, and every product that I do and that I have my hands in, whether I'm developing a product for somebody or whether I'm doing it for myself, is going to be great. And it has to get results because that's really important to me. So thank you for being here. Enjoy my cleanser. You're going to love it. And I'll be back with more again soon. Bye-bye.